And these are the materials that I will be using today for our cooking lab. So I've got the wire mesh strainer. I've got I have a whisk also, but I have a little spoon thingy to stir. I have my half a cup, my tablespoon, which I will be using for both the 1 tablespoon and the 1.5 tablespoon, baking soda and white vinegar. And then I also have a saucepan that's currently on the oven. Something, and here's the whole milk that I will be using as well. So I just poured the whole milk into the saucepan and I've got it on medium heat right now. I don't know if you're able to tell, but I've got some steam coming off of the milk now. It's steaming pretty well. I've got the 1 tablespoon of white vinegar and I'm gonna keep stirring it to see the consistency. Here's another example of what it looks like when I'm kind of tilting the saucepan. So I'm a little bit more hopeful now. I feel the texture a little bit of it in my fingertips, but it's still got like a solidified texture to it. It does feel like a cheese curd to me, so, or just curd, but it's still breaking apart a little bit. This isn't a very big strainer for this kind of pot, so I'm gonna do my best at getting just the whey out and not all the cheese curds, because that's what I want out. But that's what we're doing. Let me try to get it more in the shot. It's slowly coming out. A lot of the cheese curds are being left behind. Some of the smaller ones are leaving. But where's my dog? Murphy, get out of the way. I know. This is what I'm left with. I'm a little bit more optimistic about this area. Oh, well, than this area. But I'm about to add the water. I'm adding now my 1 tablespoon of water. I'm gonna mix it as best I can, but we'll see what happens. Dude, can you get out? And now I'm slowly gonna add the baking soda. This is the 1 tablespoon. It's not coming out as slow as I want it to, but try not to do it all at once. And slowly work it in there. Oh, and it's starting to definitely take more shape. I'm starting to feel the texture solidify more, kind of expand as well. I'm gonna keep adding it. So when I feel it, I hope the thing can focus. It's definitely got more grit to it, but I only did the amount of baking soda that was recommended. So I'm gonna keep whisking it, but yeah, it just feels a little bit gritty. Adding a little bit more of the baking soda. So this is my end result quality, if it'll focus a little bit. It's still got the grit to it, but it's a lot more smooth, if that makes sense. Sorry, and it's not as runny as it was before. But I think it maybe needed to be a little bit more runny because it's getting very gritty. And that probably is because I added a little bit more baking soda. But all in all, I think I did okay.